Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to create a multitude of different designs. So once you create your account, it should look like this. There are two different types of accounts. You can have the free version, and then there's Canva Pro, which is a subscription service that you pay for every month. The free version, in my opinion, is just fine, has a lot of different options. So here we're going to have different types of templates that you can use almost. We've got posters, infographics, presentation, logo, flyer, Instagram story, resume, lots of great stuff here. And then over here you're going to see your projects. That's going to be listed, all your previous projects that you've made, anything shared with you, and trash. So for the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a poster. So we're going to click on poster, and this is what it should look like. So we've got the blank poster over here, and over here at the top we have templates. So there's going to be lots of different things. They have got a ton, different types, and any of these you can kind of click something, and so if we want to click this one, it's going to pop up here, and you can change any of the details that you'd like, and we'll get more into that in a second. So they have got a ton of templates over here, and you can always search for something. So if you search for cloud, right, this is going to bring up all sorts of things. Search, it's another one, spring. See, look how cute that is. They've got lots of different templates that you can use. For the purpose of this lesson, we're going to go with a blank template, nothing there, so we're going to hit the back button until we get back to our blank page. So that was all the templates. Then we're going to go down to elements. They are going to have all sorts of little pictures, stickers, graphics, frames. Frames are really cool. So these little things, you can actually put your own picture in it, and then this would be the frame. So that is pretty cool. They've got lots of different things and options, and you can also search here. So say you want to search for flower, right? I got this. So yeah, they've got lots and lots of different things. And when you see this little crown right here, that means it's only for pro, so you're not going to want to use that. And so yeah, they've got tons that are free. What's great about a lot of these graphics is that you can change the colors to really anything you want. Okay, let's try that again. So if you wanted to change this yellow to orange, there we go. So all types of things. And then what's great is when you add other graphics, you can make them all the same color as were in your previous graphics so that everything looks really seamless. Uploads is kind of self-explanatory. You can put your own pictures here and are able to transport it onto your poster. So now we're going to go down to text. We can add whatever we want here. So sonnets, right? Okay. So we can obviously change to a ton of different fonts. They've got tons, and you can search here, of course. And then what's over here? We've got effects. These are really cool. So we've got all sorts of effects that we can use. That one's really cool if you change the color. So yeah, you can mess with the intensity of things. You can curve like that, mess around with the curve, really make it your own. Another thing that you can do, of course, is mess with the background color. So you can really do whatever you want there. So lots of ways to mess around with the colors and make it all work flawlessly together. And last but not least, when you're ready to save it or share, you can come over here to share, download, whatever you'd like, and there are different options. You could do a PDF, any of these types of things. So yeah, it's super easy. They make it super easy to download and share your designs, whatever you make.